Today we will be showing you how to replace a chassis fan assembly on an HPE MSL6480 tape library. This replacement will not require downtime. If you need to order a replacement chassis fan assembly for your MSL6480 from the Rocket Platform website, please use part number 723576-001. The first thing you will need to do is identify where the faulty chassis fan is located. If you only have a base control module chassis, there is only one chassis fan. However, if you have any expansions above or below the control module, you will need to use either the operator panel or web GUI to view the chassis fan error and determine which module the faulty chassis fan is in. Library modules are always numbered from the bottom up, starting with 1. Once you have verified where the faulty chassis fan is located, you will need to undo the 2 blue thumb screws holding the fan in place. Once they are both undone, you can pull the chassis fan off of the library and set it to the side. Now you can install the replacement chassis fan. Line up the replacement with the guide tabs on the empty chassis fan slot area and push the chassis fan in firmly until it is fully seated. Tighten down the blue thumb screws and ensure that the chassis fan is fully secure in the library. Verify that the error for the chassis fan has now cleared either through the operator panel or web GUI. If the error has not cleared, manually clear it and ensure that it does not return. If the error will not clear and the chassis fan is still not working properly, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.